This is the raw, unfiltered video of how I do my designs in Zazzle. So first I start with a notebook with an idea. I'm going to work on this one here. I thought of a saying that was funny, which is because he's a crop duster. And then to make it aviation themed, I have an airplane with some clouds towards the end there for the crop dusting. And the analogy here is that person, passes gas, and to get rid of that smell, a nice smelling candle would fix it. So let me show you how I'm going to translate this into a design in my Zazzle store. So right now in my browser, I have opened the trademark search. So if I have a saying or a word, I always check to make sure that it's not trademarked. I don't want to be sued, and neither should you. I have ChatGPT open for some help with product descriptions or ideas, just some brainstorming. And then I use Canva, the professional version, to do my designs. I have my Zazzle store open with my store that has previous designs already. And I also have Pinterest opened. I typically put my designs on Pinterest after I'm done, and then I post on my social media. So let's get started with translating the concept here of that crop duster into a design to put a product on the Zazzle store. So I open Canva. I say create design. I just typed the word candle here, and I'm going to do candle label. So that opens up with some predefined sizing, and it gives me sample templates here. But I'm going to go into Zazzle, and I'm going to go ahead and look for, in a new tab, for any existing candles here. I'm going to start with the word, probably airplane, just to see what comes up. All right, so you'll notice that when I type it, there's a few suggestions here. I would say try and create designs for these type of categories. I want a specific category, so I'm not going to pick any of these. So typically I just look at what's trending in my niche. I don't see any candles. It's mostly invitations, business cards. Oh, there's a key tie. I don't see any candles, so let's build one, shall we? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and type here in the search candle for some inspirations of what's trending. Anything that says like editor pick, that's a top design, top selling design. You'll notice that most of these are photos or simple designs. I usually look at here just to see what's trending and what the Zazzle editors think it's a cool find or design. But I have something specific in mind, so whatever. But I always check. Let's look at the dimensions for candles here. So I just pick a product that has already a candle design on it. I scroll down to about the candle. I can see that this candle is specifically sold by Zazzle, and it's got a vanilla sandalwood scent. Sizing here is this 3.14 by 3.6. So we can try and make that Canva label that size. So we can say custom size. I forgot what that was. That was, I'm assuming that's inches. 3 by 4. We'll say 3.2 by 3.2 by 3.6. Okay. Okay, I guess they don't have it. So we're just going to put 3.2 inches, and we're also going to put 3.6 for height. I think that's what it said. And then we're just going to click continue. Yes, overwrite the existing design. Okay, so here it is. It sized it. It gave me some templates, but I'm going to start with going into elements to look for, I want to say biplane. I want a picture of a biplane. And I spelled it wrong. Oops. Oopsie. Biplane. Okay. We're going to look in the graphics category. See if there's any one that I like. It's got to be something that's flying on the side, not up or down. I got some interesting angles here. So I basically scroll until I find something that I like. Maybe this one? Nah, not that one. Let's look at photos. What kind of photos we have here. That one's crop dusting. You see the smoke coming out of it? All right. Let's see if there's one that calls out to me. What does that one look like? Oh, that's a Stearman. This is my favorite plane, by the way. I don't like it because it's got some shadows here, so let's keep looking. Oh, interesting one. I'm kind of digging that one. Let's remove the background on that, see what that looks like. So we'll do edit photo, and then we'll remove background, and boom. There it goes. That looks like an old school airplane. Let's trim it down a little bit. I'm not digging this one either, so I'll just go back to the drawing board. This is hard. I think the most time-consuming part is looking for one that I like an existing photo that has the concept of what I'm already trying to accomplish here with the artwork that I'm thinking in my head. Well, this one's an option. That's a Stearman. Too far away. I need something that's close. And it's got to be sideways so we can see the crop dusting. Whoa, that's an interesting one. Let's remove the background and see what that looks like. That came out a little weird. It didn't. No, that's part of the wing. I don't know what that's gonna look like. All right, let's not spend too much time on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and create some text. So I click text here. I'm just gonna start typing here. I have a specific saying I have in mind that I wrote on the paper because he's, oopsie. Don't worry about that. All right, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna search to see if that's trademarked. So I'm gonna go to my trademark search database here. And I'm gonna paste it and hit search. Okay, I don't see anybody using it. There's a crop duster, just a word alone. That's dead. It's not in use anymore. Okay, I think it looks safe to use. Let's go back to Canva. Let's add, let's go back to elements. I need some clouds. Actually, let me see if there's a different kind of airplane. I'm very picky with my images. I need to be like super happy with it. Usually the jet fighters are a pretty popular airplane. So let's see if they have a P-51 airplane. Those are awesome. Oh, they do. Oh, check that one out. I don't like the shadow of the wings though. That one though might work. Let's remove the background. Let's see. So we have this as an option. We have that as an option. Let me look at one more. Photos. Okay, so let's look here. Oh, that looks mean. I like a mean P-51. I like the ones that have like a colored tip there on the nose. That one's too dark. Okay, there's some interesting photos in here for a P-51 airplane. They are not airplane related, and these are not P-51s, so I'm stuck with having to use some of these. Let's look at maybe what this one looks like. I don't like it, so I'm just not going to use it. Undo. Let's see what this one looks like. No, that'll be hard to tell. It's an airplane. Let's try and remove the background on that. See what that looks like. Alright, so we got a few options here. We have this one. We have this one, and we have this one. And now I need some clouds. I'm just going to put gas and just see what that gives me. I want... no. I need the word clouds. Or smoke. Actually, smoke would be better. Smoke. Maybe that one. See the trailing smoke behind it? Oh, or this one. Let's remove the background on that. See what that looks like. We're gonna rotate it. Ooh, that looks deadly. Let's see what that looks like. Oh man, okay. That is like a real stink bomb there. Not too happy with that one. Maybe more of a straight line. No, we need it to be a photo. I kind of like the purple one. That one was too dark. Let's make that smaller. Like the lingering smell is the worst. Hence why the candle. Let's look at the other options here. Maybe that one. but it's blue. I'm not liking that color, so let's see what that looks like. Almost looks like a bone. Let's remove the background. Turn it upside down. That does not look like smoke. All right, that doesn't look good. Next. Okay. I know this is going to be gross, but this is what I'm trying to portray here with airplane. Oh my God. I wasn't looking for people, but the actual gas. Let's look at the graphics. Oh my God. This one is too funny. Oh, this one. Yeah, that might work. Let's edit the image. Let's crop it a little bit. Just click down there. And that might work. Now the question is, I don't like the yellow one, so I'm going to take that out. I don't like this one. It doesn't look like a plane from the way it's positioned. This one, though, might be the one. All right, let's see what else is there. Oh my God, these are too funny. These are hilarious. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys are having a good laugh at these, because these are too funny. Oh my goodness. All right, let's just go with this. Let's do, and by the way, when you use Canva, you have two options, the free version or the professional version. I'm using the professional version because you can see there's a little crown next to these images. That means they're only available for professional version use. There's not a lot of options for the free version, but you still have some options. They're just limited. And in order for you to make designs here, you need to make it unique. So more than one element that you use from here. So you have to combine it with something else or modify it. So because I have two elements, this is okay to use. Let's do a, I would say, rectangle. Let's look for a rectangle, and then let's do graphics. Let's see what that looks like. Let's position this in the center, and let's position that one also in the center, so let's make that smaller, and let's change the color of the text. The good news is any photos that it uses, it's matching colors here, which is nice. Let's see. So there's that blue, matches the airplane blue. What if we change the color of that to, like, say, sometimes I don't think the design is good after I see a mock-up of it. Right now I'm just playing around with the design, but let's see what happens with this design. I would suggest making sure that you have a title here for the design that you're doing so you remember what's what. And then I'm going to export it out. I'm going to download it. I usually increase the size so it has better pixels. Transparent background because I don't want it to pick up the white. And I'm going to hit download. So it's going to download to my computer here. All right, it's downloaded. So now I want to go into my store and I'm going into products, create new product, and I'm going to type in here candle. All right, so I saw this vanilla. I don't know what the difference is between these two. Let's go with this one. Let's put our design here. And the cool thing with Zazzle is that they already preload with some mock-ups. So you can see what your final product will look like with your design. So let's hit customize this design. And I'm going to upload images here of things that I just used. Those are my previous designs there. So there it is. It looks super tiny, and sometimes you can see what the preview looks like by clicking through the preview images here. Let's make this bigger. So we'll select all the elements and hit that plus sign, scale it up, makes it bigger. Watch it go bigger. I could barely see the airplane. Oh, wow. Let's see. And then we're going to click done. And then what happened to it? Why don't I see the front of it? Oh, there it is. That's what it looks like. You get to preview it before you actually publish it. I think I need to make the airplane bigger. But I kind of like this rugged look for that behind the text. The airplane needs to be bigger though, so let's go back to our design here and let's scale this bigger. We can make this a little bit smaller. I think this might be too big. Let me see what that looks like with white letters. Yeah, I need to make this a little bit bigger. Oh, what happened to the propeller there? Got cut off. Can't cut that off. Okay. Now that looks good. All right, let me see. I don't like that font, so I'm gonna go here and look for fonts. This section here gives you popular fonts, so let's see what this looks like. No. Let's look at this one. That's too pretty. I'm not trying to be cute here. Let's see. What about this one? Oh, that looks cool. I'm digging that. Let's center that. Position that in the center. Okay, and I might have to decrease the size a little bit, so let's decrease that a little bit. Okay. Will people read that okay? I don't know. I'm changing my mind. Let's go look for a different font here. I'm looking for that like rugged, maybe this one. Nothing too pretty. A a little bit with an attitude kind of font. Maybe that will work. Let's try that. So let's save this, I'll save. And we're going to download this design again. Again, I up the size in case I need to do anything with it size-wise, like go bigger. I hit transparent background, download. Okay, so now I need to go back to Zazzle, edit this design, and I'm going to upload that image that I just redid. You had to remove the previous one, so let's remove that one. Let's center this, so go under Align, Center. And then let's scale it up, make it bigger. See what that looks like. Oops, undo. I didn't want to do that one, I wanted to do the other one. And now we're going to click Done. I can barely see the text. And I'm not sure I like the green. But it matches this, so. Oh, and here's a cool thing. I can immediately transfer the design that I make onto other products. They preload this, like they put some sample products with the design you just did, which is awesome. Or you can view for new design to products through here. But I'm having second thoughts here. I like the P51. I think that image, I'm digging that. It's just the text is still not jiving with me. Let's go back to Canva. Let's look for a different text. I kind of like that one. Maybe let's do a different kind of green. Let's see. Let's pick. See, it changes color. I'm trying to pick a green. A sage green is a nice one. Let's also change the color to sage green. Oh, I guess I can't do that. Let's see what this looks like. Let's download it again. See what that looks like, shall we? Edit design, delete the existing one, upload images, select the latest one, and we're gonna scale it. Ooh, that's too much. I need to reduce the scale a little bit. Click Done. Maybe I need to take out the background. Let's just delete that and just make the text like that. Then that way we can just do that. And then I'm thinking that this should be a different text, so we're gonna do this because we're gonna add text and we're gonna paste these A1, and then we're gonna do another text box and paste from our previous text box. Let's change the middle text font to a different one. This one is just annoying me. It needs to match. I'm OCDing here. Let's change that font to something else. Oh my god, there's so many options. This is why it takes so long. So many options. Let's look at this one. Nope, that's too pretty. I need like a... angry. It don't look like angry. And oh my god, we're still in the A's. Jesus. Oopsie. Let's see. Let's just do lowercase text. Oh, it's not doing anything. Oh, that did it. All right, let's go look. I've never heard of that one. That's an interesting one. Barbara? Does that say Barbara? Barecito. This is Barecito. I'm not digging that, so let's undo that. Let's choose a different font again for that middle word. Nothing's jiving with me. That one's kind of getting there. I don't know, I'm just clicking through. This one might work. Let's see what black letters look like. Or maybe this one can be black. And this one may be the green. Let's move it up a little. I don't know, let's see what that looks like. I don't like the fact that this is cartoony. Let me go back in here and look at, yes, I am typing that. Because there's no like really good photos. Might have to go graphics and look for Let's see what that looks like. Gotta tilt it a little bit. Make it smaller. And then can we color it? No, we can't. It needs to be a solid color. No, that's a no. I don't know, I might just have to go with that one. There's nothing like in here that is gonna be too realistic anyway. Oh my god, that looked like green fire. Oh my god. These are too funny. I'm just gonna go with that. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see. Let's download it. Again, transparent background. There it goes. It's getting downloaded. It's done. Let's go back to our design. Edit the design. We're going to delete the original one, and we're going to upload the one that we just did, which is this one. And it's going to show up soon. There it is. We're going to scale it. I think that's the right size. So let's go click done. Wow, this is hilarious. Now I think the airplane is probably a little too big, so we might have to go back and reduce the size of that. Maybe like this. And then move that a little bit. Like that. Let's try this design. Let's download it again. And yes, sometimes I go through a few iterations of this. Wait for it to download it. Okay, it's downloaded. Let's go to edit design. We're going to delete it. You can click that red trash can there. We're going to upload our existing image. We're going to scale it. Go a little bit bigger. Oh, that's too big. Okay, looks like it's centered. Yeah, it is. Let's click done. It still looks way too big, but I'm happy with the text now. So let's reduce the size of that airplane a little more. Let's make it like this, and then we're going to shrink this a little bit. We're going to move it up. Let's try moving it up a little bit like that. All right, let's download it again, shall we? Transparent background, download. Okay, let's go edit design. Let's delete that one there. Y'all getting the real thing here. I don't have time to make this video pretty. You're getting my mistakes and my successes live. Meaning this is uncut raw footage. This is what I do. All right, let's center that. Looks good. Click done. That looks a little bit better. Let's see. Really? Why does it do that? Like, how am I supposed to look at this? Well, that's a silly, silly thing. What if we moved it more to like the left here? Will that do it? Click done. Okay, I can see it a little bit better, but doesn't help for marketing purposes. Let's edit the design again. Let's move it over a little bit more. Oh gosh, this is tedious. But there it is, you can now see it. I think if we position it, you don't want to put this in a birthday party unless this is a gag gift. Could you imagine somebody giving you this on your birthday? This is funny as you know what. All right, I think this is going to be the one mock-up image I'm going to use. I'm not sure if I can move it a little more. It's like if I go too far left, it doesn't look right. Aha. Why is it tilted down? That looks a little bit better. Oh my God, this is so fun. Do you see how it immediately transfers this design to other products? Could you imagine just drinking some coffee and having that as your design? Definitely would cause some laughs here. Okay, I think I'm happy. Let's give this a whirl, shall we? Let's sell it. This is warning you because there's nothing in the back, and that's okay. That's how I like it, so I'm just going to publish it. You do have to select which department. I don't think I'm going to put this for weddings. So let's choose this department in home and living. I try and make sure there's some keywords on the title. So this is funny. It's aviation. And I sometimes put in the sentence, so because, if it fits, because he's a crop duster. Oh yes, that fits. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put some commas in between the words here. Funny aviation. This could be a gag gift. See if it fits. It does. Funny aviation. Let's move these after the sentence. Let's put it towards the tail end here. Because he's a crop duster, gag gift, funny aviation. I think this was a vanilla one, wasn't it? We should put vanilla in here somewhere. I don't know if it's gonna let me do that. No. So is vanilla, can we remove maybe? You're limited on the titled characters. I don't think most people would type gag. They'll probably search more for vanilla than gag, so I'll do vanilla. Because most people will search for vanilla candles. Let's see if I can put a space there. It does mirror what I had in my paper design, so that's good. All right, so, and then you don't have to put in the title the description of the product. It does it for you automatically, so it's a scented candle. Maybe I need to change vanilla near to that word scented, so I'm gonna move vanilla to the back. Funny aviation. Oops, I ran out of characters. See what that looks like now. Because he's a crop duster. Funny aviation, vanilla, scented keywords. I think these are good keywords here. This is a department. Now I have to come up with a description. And usually I get ChatGPT to write me that. So, and writing prompts takes practice. So I'm gonna say act as a sales professional, sales marketing professional, and write a brief product description targeted to pilots or aviation enthusiasts. That makes fun of someone smelling bad. And having to light a candle to get rid of bad odor. All right, let's see what we have here. Act as a sales marketing professional and write a brief product description for a vanilla scented candle targeted for pilots or aviation enthusiasts. That makes fun of someone smelling bad and having to let it. Let's see what that does. This is hilarious. Look at this one. Are you tired of being stuck in close quarters with that one not so fresh fellow pilot or aviation enthusiast? Fear not, because Sky Fresh is here to save the day. With its delightful vanilla scent, this candle will whisk you away from unpleasant aromas faster than you can say clear for takeoff. Oh my God, this is awesome. I'm taking that. as my product description. I'm going to put it in here. And we're going to say, because this candle is here to save the day with its delightful vanilla scent, this candle will whisk you away from unpleasant aromas faster than you can say clear for takeoff. All right, the other thing I like to add in here too is, so none of these design elements have a customizable option. This is just a static design, but typically I would put in here that if they want to customize the design, to contact me. But because this is not a personalized or custom one, I'm just gonna say, if you prefer a different design, feel free to contact me. Okay, so now that you have the description, we're going to scroll down. That's the sample image that it's going to use. You're going to click down here just to see if there's any specific options that you want the design only for. There is no other design than that to choose from, so we're just going to leave it alone. Okay, events and occasions. Just to show you guys. So for holidays, they have all the holidays you can think of. This is not related to a holiday. It's an all day, 24/7, 365 days a year. So I'm not going to add any specific occasion or holiday. Let's see what they have. Expressions. Hi and hello. Yeah, thinking of you. Fun and laughs. Yeah, that one for sure. Okay, recipient. So this gift would be not for, well, kids can be crop dusters. It's more for him. I'm not going to specify which him. Leave it open to that buyer. I'm going to change the store category to be, I don't know, what was this candle under? I was hoping I could see like the categories this stuff is under. I guess this would be under home decor. Let's see. Zazzle. Let's just type funny here. See what comes up. Funny. We'll say funny cards. No, this is not a card. Duh. Funny candle. That's what we'll say. Funny candles. Click edit. I don't have a collection for this yet. We're going to skip that for now. We can always add it in later. So tags. Tags are important. Usually for this, I'll include airplane. These are keywords people search. Gives you a little brief description here for tips. You know, this is tags to help your shoppers find your product. Use descriptive words. Aim for 5 to 10. Use spaces between single word. And put quotes for more than one word. So we're going to add in here, airplane is one. People normally do that. Funny. People search for candle. I'm going to add vanilla candle, would be another term. Hit enter. What else? Aviation is another keyword. Pilot. Aviator. Oops, aviator. I'm going to also do gag gift. Let's see. So we have candle. It's funny. It's vanilla. Aviation pilot. Airplane. Let's see if I need to describe. Jet fighter is another type of airplane. So we're just going to add that and see what happens. All right, I think that's enough. And then we scroll down here. This is suitable for everyone. We're going to make it visible to everyone. If we want to customize it, this is what triggers the options to change the text or the images on the design. So we're not going to customize it. Although, if you add, no, we're not going to customize it. We'll say no to that. All right, this is where the fun comes in. So this is where you make profit or royalty from this design if it sells. I typically tend to use the calculator because I don't know what's a good price. Try and stay within like the early blue lines here. And just give it like a reasonable price. The higher you go, the more you have to pay extra fees to Zazzle, and you can do that if you like, but best practice is to stick in that blue type bar so the price isn't too high for your product. And if it is, it's just not going to sell. Click OK. And then, yes, I designed it. I own it. So if this sells, I will get $4.32. And then I'm going to hit post it. Congratulations. It says here that it takes time. It can take up to 24 hours to show up in search results. But in the meantime, we can share it and promote it. So typically I click that option here. Go there now. This is what it would look like if it was live. I think I'm going to go with maybe, yeah, that doesn't look very rosy, but this is like funny. I think I like this one, but I don't like the background. So let's download the images, the mock-up images that Zazzle has. We can always redo it in Canva. So let's download them. I think the front, the side, and the back. All right, so let's go back to Canva here. I think we have to save this, so let's save this as the final design. I'm going to file save to folder. Okay, I saved it on my folder. But I think I'm going to create a pin for Pinterest now on Canva with this now. So I'm going to go create, so create design. This is going to be a Pinterest. I want to make it a video pin. Oh, here we go. The beauty is it will automatically pre-size that. And then they give you templates here. Usually I kind of go through these to see if I can take those images and make it into these templates. I need a template where I can put like at least 2 to 3 images here. I can use this one as a concept. Or maybe that one. I'm not seeing anything that catches my eye. Because these are not videos that I'm putting in this pin. So I'm looking for something that already has like a animation or something already with it. I don't know what's more consuming, the finding the design I have in my head. I could always try and ask AI, but I don't feel like it. I think I'm going to go with an earlier design that I saw in here and then make it my own. With these pre-designed templates, you can't use it as is. You got to make a change to them to make it yours. The nice thing is it saves you time because you have it already pre-designed. All right, so we're going to get rid of this background. I don't know, I don't really like this. We can say new connection. Funny candles. And then I'm gonna upload my design. So here's the designs that I downloaded, the mock-ups. I probably need the simple one. Take that one there. So I'm just gonna drag it over there. Oof. I actually trimmed it. Okay, that's not a good idea. Okay, let's do it like this. And then let's remove the background. Let's bring it to the back. And I really don't like this design at all. So let me look at like background. We could do videos. Okay, I might have to be more specific. I'm gonna have to send that to the back. does. What does it do? Okay. Well, that's a crappy one. Maybe I need to move it like this. That's kind of soothing watching it go back and forth. Let's see what else they have here. Money, 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 money. Let's do like a sky background or an office. Usually candles are in offices. Okay, I don't want to think about work right now. Maybe a work office is not a good idea. How about living room? Thinking about where this candle would go. I want a living room background. Let's replace background. See what that does. Did nothing. Replace background. Detach video. Remove this video. I'm gonna add. Let's make replace background. Okay, what does that look like? Wow, it's just making me dizzy just watching it. Well, this one looks kind of comfy. Let's use this one instead. Oh, we need to get rid of these designs here. And these dots. We should add like laughing emojis because this is funny. The other quick thing that you can do sometimes is show layers. Where's the layers at? Where's the layer option? The layer stuff is like new. I don't remember how to do it, so whatever. Do it the manual way. I need to get rid of these purple things. And then I think I'm gonna add some. I don't like that shopping cart. I do need to put my store here, so I need to get the link. So view public front, and that's me, that's my store. And I go to this link here, and I grab that link. And back to Canva, whoop whoop. And I put that in here. Now this is too small, so I'm gonna make this bigger. This is it contains a extra code at the end, so I'm just going to keep the basic link. Both work. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Oopsie. I almost need like a coffee table. Like, I need a coffee table right there. Let's do that. Let's look for a coffee table. Coffee table. what would go with that aesthetic there? Maybe this one? Oh, this one. Let's remove the background. Oh, and then you have floating cups. Can't do that. Let's go back to the drawing board. Wooden table. Photos. Maybe that one. Oh, it needs to be like sideways. I need a table that's sideways. Oh boy. What about that one? It's got a rustic look. I can kind of get away with that one. I need to move this though. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got floaters. Get rid of those cups there. That there. Hey, what happened to the table? And we're gonna bring that to the front. All right, there it is. That's layer, show all layers. And I can just, oh, to delete that one. We want to bring this to the front. There we go. See? Now it looks like it's on top of the coffee table. And oopsie, we need to also bring that one to the front. Where's the layer? What the heck? Why do I get it? Layer, send it back. Oh. Okay, come on. Let's put it like right there, middle. Need to move that over here. Let's see what that looks like. I don't know if I'm okay with like the sofa moving around. Should we add a person on here? Like walking? Guy walking. Let's see. He looks like he's on the move. I'm so sorry I'm doing this to you, but let's see. Let's put him like behind the candle, like as if he's like about to step away. Let's put him in the background. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is just too funny. This is too funny. This is what it looks like now. I don't know if I want the sofa moving. Maybe that's a bad idea. Let's just get a static picture of living room. can't spell today. Living room. And we don't want videos, we just want photos. Let's see. I kind of like this one. Let's replace it. Replace background. That is so cool. It just did that. Oh my god, this is too funny. We need like smiley faces now. Like laughing emoji. Let's do graphics. Let me see what they have for photos. Kind of like this one. Oh, these are cool. Let's do maybe this one. Let's see what that looks like. Let's put it like up there. Yeah, let's duplicate that one. Put one there. Duplicate that one. And then, oh, probably too big. Oh, great. If I change size and they're all uneven then. Okay. Y'all still there? It's time consuming, I know. Let's make this pop. I want a different color. Let's make that either green, bold, and bigger. Oopsie. Stretch it a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, I guess you can read that. New collection, funny candles. All right, so I don't think I like to add any more emojis. I think that one's good enough. So let's see. Although these would be pretty cool. It's got this like glossy look. Why does it look like they're like laying down? What the heck? Ooh, maybe the red one looks better. Oh, I might like the red one better. It pops. Okay, redo. Oh my god, are we done yet? Is that what you're saying? Because I'm about to need a break. You guys are such a good sport, just hanging in, just watching me design this. Maybe it needs to go in the middle, like there. And then I need to put like, 5 seconds, what does that do here? It just does that, new collection. Nothing fancy. Maybe we need like an arrow pointing to the candle. Point, see what that has. this is cute. I kind of like this. We can point to the arrow, or I should say point to the, like that. I'm not sold on that pointer though. I could do this where I can rotate that and point the candle. Move it a little bit to the side there. There we go. And then we can remove this one. Maybe like go there. Okay, I think we have all the pieces now. Let's make that red, since we have this is too busy in my opinion. It's becoming too busy. So let's just not remove. I think people will get that there's a candle here. Or if we like move him. No, he belongs there. I think you can see it better here. I think this is probably way too many. Let's keep it simple. Sometimes it's just good to just keep it simple. And let's put that back to like a dark blue or something. And we needed to make it hyperlink. So we're going to have to do a hyperlink. I forgot how to do that. Oh, link. Paste that. Link added. So there you go. And if you click on it, let's download that. I think this is good enough for a mock-up on Pinterest. All right, let's download that. Download. It's gonna take a while. Give it time, give it time. Almost, almost. All right, it's done. So now we're going to go to Pinterest. We're going to create pin. We're going to upload that video we just did. That's what it looks like. Add text layer. We're gonna say aviation. Gag depth. And to change the color of that. So let's change the color to like we need to make that smaller, I think. And I need to move that. It's good to add text. Let's see, what can we do with this here? Can we do it like this? No, I don't like that. Maybe we need to tweak this size a little more. Just put it on the bottom. Oops, undo. What the heck? I don't know, where's that? It moved by accident. Oh my goodness. I want to move this. I guess I can't move it anywhere. I don't know where to put this, but it's good to include some keyword text on the actual pin. And I can't make it like any smaller. Oh, okay, this works. Oops. Why does it keep moving that? This is what I want to move. It's not perfect, but whatever. I'm not looking for perfect. Okay. Okay, click done. Sometimes I go back to the store with the text I used. Where's my product that I just did? These are some of my previous designs. Here it is. I usually steal the same title to put on here. No need to reinvent the wheel. Okay, we have the title. I'm going to steal the description that I wrote for this. I'm just going to put it here, paste that. We're going to add the URL. So I'll go here, copy, paste that in here. I don't have gifts for him. Do that. Tags is important, so we're going to say funny. Why isn't funny coming? No result here. Seriously? Money quotes. Aviation. Why isn't aviation? Oops. What was that? Aviation. Okay, whatever. It's fine. Jet fighter. Let's do jet fighter. Jet. Aircraft. Are you telling me there's no keyword for candle? Birthday cake. Oh, candles. Only one. Candles. Vanilla. Interesting. Okay, and then we just hit publish. Da-da-da-da. We're almost done here, folks. It's been published. Let's view it. Da-da-da-da. That's what it looks like. Funny. Let me see if I can click the link on there. Can I? Oh, I can't. Usually, sometimes I put a comment in here with a link. Add this funny candle to your cart. And then I post the link here. So there's my comment. It's going to show up as the only one because I barely see any people dropping comments. But there you go. What? Sorry, you can't view or take action. Is it because I put the link? Let's see if that works. Where's my mouse? Where'd it go? Let's add a funny emoji. Why can't I do this? Okay, I guess I can't do that. Let's see what my page looks like now. I put it in the gifts for him, so there it is. Look, it's there. All right, and then I just sometimes take this and post it on Instagram and YouTube. Thanks for hanging in, guys. I am done designing. On to the next project and another day. I hope this was helpful, and hopefully I inspired you to go Zazzle. Go create some designs on Zazzle. I think it's great. Personally, my opinion is that Zazzle is way better than Etsy. Okay, see you later. Bye.